खून दिल दे के निखारेंगे रुखे बरगे गुलाब, खून दिल दे के निखारेंगे रुखे बरगे गुलाब, हमने गुलशन के तहफ़्फ़ुज़ की कसम खाई है। मैं हूँ मिसेज़ नीलम आमिर, प्रिंसिपल ऑफ द एजुकेटर्स, and I would like to explain here that how we have tackled all the COVID-19. Alhamdulillah, schools are open now. We are very happy. Students are very confident. Today's attendance shows that students were fed up now and they are eagerly coming to schools. In this all COVID-19, Alhamdulillah, we are happy and we are proud on our educational and professional skills, because whatsoever issue is there, either it is online class, supportive material, or PTM, exams, any of the issues, Alhamdulillah, we have proved that we are the educators and we are best amongst others. Alhamdulillah, we have not only coped with all the problems and all the hardships with happy and smiley face, rather we have maintained in our schools not the national, rather on international standards. Our online class and all other policies and all other activities in schools are not on the base of the Kamuki level. It's alhamdulillah like the international standards, like the national standards. Not only we, rather our students have also participated in all teaching and learning activities with great zeal and zest. Alhamdulillah, we are very happy and we are thankful to Allah Almighty who enabled us to manage our school in a very befitting manner. I would like to dedicate one piece of poetry for all the management, teachers and all the students of the Educators Global Academic Campus. सजदों के एवज़ फरदोस मिले ये बात हमें मंजूर नहीं, सजदों के एवज़ फरदोस मिले ये बात हमें मंजूर नहीं, बेलौस इबादत करते हैं बंदे हैं तेरे मज़दूर नहीं. Thank you very much.